If your meeting is not recording in Otter.ai, yeah, that can make you miss important details. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, check your microphone permissions. Otter needs access to your mic to record meetings. Next, make sure the correct microphone is selected. The wrong input device can stop recording. Now, check your meeting integration. If you're using Zoom or Google Meet, make sure Otter is properly connected. Make sure your internet is stable, because Otter.ai relies on cloud recording. Try restarting the app. Yeah, this can fix temporary recording glitches. Finally, check for updates. Using the latest version of Otter.ai can fix recording bugs, and that's it. These steps should fix most meeting recording issues in Otter.ai. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.